Hi, everyone. Welcome back to SunnyTalk English Podcast.
Hello, friends. I'm Tom.
And I'm Anna.
Let's talk English, the fun way.
Today, we have a really fun topic, food and drinks.
Yes. Who doesn't love food? Just talking about it makes me hungry already.
Me too. Food connects people, right? No matter where you're from, we all love to eat.
That's true. So let's talk about what we eat, what we drink, and maybe learn some new words along the way.
So, Tom, what's your favorite food?
That's a hard question. But I think my favorite food is pizza.
Pizza? That's everyone's favorite.
Yeah, because it's warm, cheesy, and full of flavor. You can have many toppings: cheese, meat, vegetables, even pineapple.
Pineapple on pizza? That's a little strange.
I know. Some people love it, some people hate it. What about you?
I like Vietnamese food. I love pho and spring rolls. They're light, healthy, and full of herbs.
I love pho. The broth smells so good, and it's perfect for cold days.
Exactly. What's your favorite international food?
I really like sushi and pasta, too.
Let's talk about meals. What do you usually eat for breakfast, Tom?
I usually have eggs, toast, and a cup of coffee. Sometimes I eat cereal with milk.
That's a classic Western breakfast.
Yeah, it's quick and easy. What about you?
I often eat rice or noodles in the morning. In Vietnam, we have pho or banh mi for breakfast.
Banh mi. Oh, yes, I've tried it once. It's amazing. Crispy bread, meat, vegetables, and sauce.
That's right. It's tasty and convenient for busy mornings. Do you cook at home often?
Yes, I cook almost every day. I think homemade food is healthier and cheaper.
True. I cook sometimes, but I'm not very good at it. My pasta is always overcooked.
Practice makes perfect.
Let's talk about drinks. What's your favorite drink, Tom?
Coffee. 100% coffee. I drink at least 2 cups every day.
Wow, that's a lot. Doesn't it keep you awake at night?
Sometimes, yes, but coffee helps me work and think.
I see. I prefer tea, green tea or jasmine tea. It helps me relax.
Tea is great. Do you drink milk tea?
Oh, yes, bubble tea. It's sweet and fun, but I don't drink it too often. Too much sugar.
Yeah, that's true. I also like fruit juice, especially orange juice in the morning.
Oh, and smoothies. I love smoothies made with banana and yogurt.
That sounds delicious.
Do you often eat out, Tom?
Yes, maybe once or twice a week.
Where do you usually go?
I like Japanese restaurants. Sushi, ramen, tempura. How about you?
I like small, local restaurants. The food is fresh and the people are friendly.
That's nice. Do you like fast food?
Sometimes, but not too much. It's tasty, but not very healthy.
I agree. I eat fast food when I'm in a hurry, like burgers, fries, and soda.
What's your favorite restaurant?
There's a cozy cafe near my apartment. They have sandwiches, salads, and really good coffee.
Sounds perfect for brunch.
Do you like desserts, Anna?
Oh, yes, I have a sweet tooth. I love cakes, cookies, and ice cream.
Haha, same here. My favorite is chocolate cake.
I like fruit desserts, like mango sticky rice or fruit salad.
That's healthier. Sometimes I eat potato chips when I watch movies.
Oh, I do that too, especially popcorn.
Do you eat 3 meals a day?
Yes, I do. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I try not to skip meals.
Me too. When I skip breakfast, I feel tired all day.
Same here. I also try to eat more vegetables and less fried food.
That's smart. I'm trying to drink more water and less soda.
Good idea. Water is life.
Do you eat late at night?
I try not to. Eating late makes it hard to sleep.
Yeah, same. I think eating healthy is not about diet, it's about balance.
Do you cook every day, Tom?
Not every day, but maybe 3 times a week. I like cooking pasta and fried rice.
That's great. I love cooking too. It's relaxing for me.
Really? What do you usually cook?
I cook simple dishes, rice, vegetables, soup, and sometimes noodles.
Nice. Do you follow recipes?
Sometimes, but often I just cook with what I have in the fridge.
Same. It's called creative cooking.
Exactly. Now let's practice. Try to answer these questions. What's your favorite food? What do you usually eat for breakfast? What drinks do you like? Do you often eat out? Can you cook?
Great job, everyone.
Remember, the more you speak, the better your English becomes.
And the more you eat, the happier you are.
That's true, but don't forget to eat healthy too. That's all for today's episode, Food and Drinks.
We hope you learned some new words and phrases to talk about your favorite food.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our podcast with your friends.
And tell us in the comments, what's your favorite food?
See you next time on Sunny Talk English Podcast.